For many Afghan women and girls, learning a skill is only the first step. Turning it into income, that is the real challenge. Abad addresses this through cycle of development, creating sustainable pathways to independence. This initiative uses a structured 6-month study model to help Afghan women and girls build practical, income-oriented skills and turn those skills into real economic opportunities. It responds to an important reality. For many women and girls in Afghanistan, training alone is not enough. What matters is whether a skill can lead to income, financial resilience, and greater self-resilience. To meet this need, Cycle of Development combines hands-on technical training with business, financial, and e-commerce education. It is built not only to develop skills, but to help participants use them in practical and sustainable ways. Through this approach, Abad contributes to SDG 5, gender equality, by strengthening women's economic participation. SDG 8, decent work and economic growth, by supporting income-generating opportunities. SDG 1, no poverty, by building financial resilience, and SDG 4, quality education, by connecting learning to practical outcomes. Cycle of Development combines hands-on technical training with business, financial, and e-commerce education. Participants learn how to turn skills into income, build financial resilience, and gain independence. Across the program, participants gain skills in several income-focused areas. In baking, product preparation, they learn how to create quality goods while understanding pricing, presentation, and customer-based selling, helping turn a household skills into home-based potential. In digital design and content creation, participants develop creative and digital abilities that can support online work, freelancing, branding, and service-based income. Through sewing, art, and craft training, women and girls strengthen their ability to produce handmade items while learning how to package, market, and sell them through local and digital channels. What makes Cycle of Development truly unique is that it doesn't stop learning skills. It shows participants how to turn skills into action. Women and girls are guided step by step to turn their ideas into real products, understand their values, present them effectively, and earn income with confidence and purpose. Here, skills become opportunity. They build independence, resilience, and a future that women and girls can create with their own hands.